How to poke someone on Facebook. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to use the classic Facebook poke feature to connect with friends in a fun way. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Facebook on your device, tap the search icon at the top, then tap on the search bar. In the search bar, type pokes as shown on the screen, then search for it. After that, you will see the pokes feature at the very top from Facebook itself. Tap on it. Here you will see a list of your friends that you can poke. Find the friend you want to poke. Once found, tap the poke button next to their name. Once you poke someone, the user will receive a notification that you have poked them. If they would like, they can poke you back, which could be a fun way to increase interactivity and start a conversation. If anyone has already poked you, you will see them here, and you can poke them back as well. And there you have it, you have successfully learned how to poke someone on Facebook. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.